आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो खांची 90.4 FM, हम सबका रेडियो। आई एम डॉक्टर अरुण कुमार from the University Department of Physics, Ranchi University. My topic for today is an introduction to microcomputers and microprocessors. It is a part of MSc Electronics Special Curriculum. Now we come to the topic. A microcomputer is a personal computer. It is considered a personal computer because people can use it in their homes. Microcomputers were invented in the year 1970. Before the invention of microcomputers, people used mainframes and mini-computers. They were big, bulky, expensive computers used at companies and universities. Microcomputers were smaller and cheaper than mainframes and mini-computers. Size was not the only difference among mini-computers, microcomputers and mainframes. Mini-computers used core memory technology and a transistor, a piece of metal with wires that move electrical currents back and forth. Mainframes used vacuum tubes that looked like light bulbs to move electrical currents. To store information, mainframes used punch cards or magnetic tape. Microcomputers use a microprocessor, which is an integrated circuit that is referred to as the central processing unit or CPU in short. The microprocessor is able to move information back and forth through its transistors. A microprocessor incorporates the functions of a computer's central processing unit on a single integrated circuit, or at most a few integrated circuits. It is a multi-purpose, programmable, clock-driven, register-based electronic device that reads binary instructions from a storage device called memory, accepts binary data as input, and processes data according to those instructions and provides results as output. An example of sequential digital logic as it has internal memory. Microprocessors operate on numbers and symbols represented in binary number system. In the beginning, we can draw an analogy between microprocessor operations and the functions of a human brain that processes information according to the instructions stored in its memory. The brain gets input from eyes and ears and sends processed information to output devices such as the face with its capacity to register expressions, the hands or feet. However, there is no comparison between the complexity of a human brain and its memory and the relative simplicity of a microprocessor and its memory. A typical programmable machine can be represented with four components. They are microprocessor, memory, input and output. These four components work together or interact with each other to perform a given task. They thus comprise a system. The physical components of the system are called hardware. A set of instructions written for the microprocessor to perform a given task is called a program, and a group of programs is called software. The machine can be programmed to traffic light on and off, compute mathematical functions, or keep off a guidance system. The system can be made simple or sophisticated depending upon the application for which it is designed. The microprocessor applications are classified primarily in two categories. They are reprogrammable systems and embedded systems. In reprogrammable systems, such as microcomputers, the microprocessor is used for computing and data processing. These systems include general-purpose microprocessors capable of handling large data, mass storage devices, and peripherals such as printers. A personal computer is an illustration. In embedded systems, the microprocessor is a part of a final product and is not available for reprogramming to the end user. A Xerox machine is a typical example of an embedded system. The three main functions of a microprocessor include controlling all functions of the central processing unit, calculating mathematical operations using logarithms, and enabling easy transfer of data from one location to another. Almost all electronic equipments are equipped with some kind of microprocessor. The microprocessor is sometimes referred to as the brain of this personal computer and is responsible for the processing of the instructions which make up the computer software. It houses the central processing unit, commonly referred to as the CPU, and as such it is crucially important part of the home PC. The simplified model consists of 5 parts. They are arithmetic and logical unit, control unit, register array, system bus, and memory. I will be talking about these topics in depth in my next audio lecture. We can refer to the following books in this connection. The first one is Microprocessor by Gaonkar. The second is Microcomputers and Mini Computers by B. Ram. third book is Basic Electronics by myself and published by Bharati Bhavan, Patna. And the fourth one is Digital Systems and Applications by Mrs. Nutan Lata, Department of Physics, Doranda College, Ranchi, and published by Pragati Prakashan, Meerut. Thank you.